Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of Discord from all devices. Whether you are switching phones, tightening security, or just doing a privacy cleanup, this process will help you out. First of all, open up the Discord application or website. Log into your account if you're not already, and once logged in, tap on the U button at the bottom right and click on gear icon at the top right corner. Once you get to the settings menu, go ahead and tap on devices. Now you will be able to see all the devices that are currently logged in with your Discord account. To log out of all devices, click on Logout on all devices at the bottom and then enter your Discord account's password on the next field when prompted. Now, click on the Submit button and you will then be able to log out of Discord from all other devices connected to your account except the one you are just currently using. And that's it. You can now go ahead and change your password for your account if you are worried about your security of the account. It ensures that no one else can access your account if you've used it on a public or shared device. And that's how you can successfully log out of all devices on Discord with a simple tap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.